Hi, welcome to my channel Lost Great Ones. Today in this video, I am going to tell about the Indian great footballer Mr. Tulsidas Balram. Let's start this video. Tulsidas Balram, born on 4th October 1936 in Ammuguda village near Sikandarabad in the erstwhile Hyderabad state, emerged from humble beginnings to become a luminary in Indian football. Growing up in a family of limited means, Balaram's early life was marked by economic hardships. Despite these challenges, he exhibited a profound passion for football from a young age. His determination led him to improvise his first pair of football boots by persuading a local cobbler to repurpose old police shoes. This resourcefulness and dedication set the foundation for his future success in the sport. Balaram's talent did not go unnoticed. At the age of 19, he was encouraged by the renowned coach Syed Abdul Rahim to try out for the Hyderabad team for the 1956 Santosh Trophy. Rahim's mentorship was instrumental in Balaram's development, providing him with a monthly allowance to afford a bicycle, enabling him to commute from his village to practice sessions in Hyderabad. This opportunity was pivotal, allowing Balaram to hone his skills and eventually represent India in multiple international tournaments, including the Asian Games and the Olympics. Information about Balaram's family and parents is limited. He hailed from a large family with several siblings, and his upbringing was characterized by poverty. Despite the lack of financial resources, Balaram's family environment fostered his early interest in football. His journey from a modest background to becoming a celebrated athlete is a testament to his resilience and determination. Balaram's personal life was marked by simplicity and dedication to his sport. He never married and lived a modest life, focusing on his passion for football. After retiring from active play, he continued to contribute to the sport by managing clubs and coaching young talents, leaving an indelible mark on Indian football. Football was not just a sport but a profound passion for Balaram. His versatility on the field, capable of playing both as a centre and left-wing forward, made him a valuable player for teams like East Bengal, where he captained during the 1961-62 season. His dedication to football was recognized when he received the Arjuna Award in 1962, one of India's highest sporting honours. Balaram's commitment to football extended beyond his playing years. He took on coaching roles, managing prestigious multi-sports clubs like Bengal Nagpur Railway and mentoring young players who would go on to make significant contributions to Indian football. His passion for the sport was evident in his efforts to nurture and develop new talent, ensuring the growth and popularity of football in India. Tulsidas Balaram passed away on 16 February 2023 in Kolkata, West Bengal, India, at the age of 86. In his later years, he resided in a modest flat on the banks of the Hooghly River in Uttarpara, leading a simple life away from the limelight. His death marked the end of an era for Indian football, as he was the last surviving member of the revered trio that included P.K. Banerjee and Chuni Goswami, who had propelled India into its golden age of football during the 1950s and 60s. Balaram's passing was mourned by the football community and sports enthusiasts across the nation. His contributions to Indian football, both as a player and a mentor, left an enduring legacy that continues to inspire future generations. The location of his death, Kolkata, holds significance as a city with a rich football culture, where Balaram spent a substantial part of his career and post-retirement life, further cementing his deep connection to the sport and its history in India. Balaram was one of many siblings, growing up in a close-knit family. The shared struggles of poverty brought the family closer, teaching Balaram the values of teamwork and sacrifice from a young age. His elder siblings often contributed to the family's income, enabling the younger ones to explore opportunities. Despite the lack of resources, Balaram's siblings were his first supporters in his journey toward football. They recognized his passion for the sport and encouraged him to pursue it, even if it meant facing societal and economic challenges. Their unwavering support was instrumental in helping Balaram channel his talent and determination into becoming a professional footballer. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching this video completely. For more good information about great footballers, please like this video and share this video to your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe Lost Great Ones YouTube channel. Thank you. Let's meet up on another video.